The Contra Costa Canal was originally constructed primarily for industrial uses as well as agricultural uses in east and central Contra Costa County. Its primary purpose was to convey fresh water in the lowest cost possible, starting in Oakley, bringing it all the way into Concord, where it is treated today for drinking water.
For our canal system, we typically describe it in two different segments. We have our main canal segment, which is about 26 miles in length, and it extends from the intake in Rock Slough into central Contra Costa County. And that facility is really our lifeline. It conveys 99% of our untreated water supply. It brings water to the various cities along that canal segment, brings water to our treatment plants. We rely on it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. So because of that, we can't take the facility out of service for maintenance or repairs. It's quite challenging. So our reliance on that system is significant. The other portion of the canal system we call our loop canal, and it transitions from the main canal in the Concord area and winds its way through central Contra Costa County until it terminates in Martinez. And it serves a number of customers along the way. It's a smaller facility, and we are able to take it out of service for about 3 months a year in the winter for cleaning and repairs. So while we still rely on the facility, it doesn't have the same level of significance as the main canal.
The Contra Costa Canal provides 99% of the water supply to central and east Contra Costa County. It provides this in a very cost-effective manner in an open canal, but in doing so, it also opens up a variety of risks. The most significant is drowning risks, and the district has unfortunately experienced significant drownings through the years. Water quality risks from either accidental or intentional, of either chemicals or fuels and runoff that can get into the canal, and then the district has to provide additional treatment to provide that water safe to drink. It provides risk to water supply reliability in natural emergencies such as heavy storm events or earthquakes. And so as a result, the Contra Costa Canal, though very effective in meeting its need of bringing water to our community, it also does so with risks that, with the canal's increasing age, are becoming increasingly difficult to manage.
Given the issues facing us with the canal system and our reliance on the facility, we began several years ago studying what modernization of that facility would look like, both to meet current needs as well as future needs for the generation to come. And to that end, we've been working on two projects, the first of which is the canal replacement project. And we began studying that project over a decade ago. It was our initial focus. It's the first 4 miles of the main canal at our intake in Rock Slough up to our first pumping plant. We focused on that portion of the main canal because it was unlined. It was a dirt canal with berms that weren't compacted, and there were several very specific risks associated with that stretch of the facility. Because it wasn't lined, the area was susceptible to infiltration of poor quality groundwater, and that presented a water quality concern for us. Additionally, we anticipated significant residential development in the area, and so we recognized the need to not only improve the facility for public safety, but also to address potential flood protection issues. And so we've been able to, since 2009, we've addressed about 65% of that first 4 miles of the unlined canal system. We've installed a 10-foot diameter pipeline. The second project that we've been working on concurrently is the main canal modernization studies, which looks at the balance of the main canal system and what the future facilities for that portion of the main canal look like.
The canal modernization studies look at a variety of options to ensure that we meet all the district's needs of life safety, water quality, earthquake and other emergency reliability, as well as aesthetics and environmental impact. Those results are leaning towards enclosing the canal in a pipeline for the majority of the canal. Canal modernization benefits our customers not only by assuring a reliable water supply through normal and emergency conditions, but also by optimizing our operations and maintenance to lower the cost to the customers.
At the conclusion of these projects, we anticipate having modernized facilities that address the variety of risks and challenges. Importantly, addressing the public safety risk associated with the open canal facility. We also anticipate having a facility that is much easier to maintain. Finally, we'll have a facility that gives us a more robust water supply lifeline.